Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. First, just open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here, tap to manage accounts on this device to log out from Gmail account, because now we should first log out from the Google account and after that we'll automatically log out from Gmail app. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click remove account. Confirm your action. Allowing Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. And let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.